Hello Doge family, how are you today? Doge lovers, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. I work hard for the Doge family. I'm glad. We will grow Dogecoin together. What I say in my graphic predictions are always correct, friends. I hope it will be useful for you. I will determine the trading points for those who want to trade short. And today I will tell you the important developments. Guys, Doge will fly with Vitalik Buterin. Ethereum founder Buterin says Doge should consider switching to proof-of-stake. Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin has offered some advice for the improvement of the meme cryptocurrency Dogecoin. In his answer to Three Arrows Capital CEO Zhu Su, who asked about his ideas for a Dogecoin Ethereum cooperation, Buterin, who is credited for developing the leading blockchain platform for decentralized applications, suggested that Doge should consider switching from a proof-of-work protocol to proof-of-stake. Proof-of-stake involves randomly selected miners who stake or commit tokens to the blockchain to confirm transactions. POS advocates argue that this reduces high electricity usage and hardware costs, as well as discourages illicit behaviors. Vitalik says that, personally, I hope that Doge can switch to POS soon, perhaps using Ethereum code. I also hope they don't cancel the 5B per year annual POW issuance, instead they put it in some kind of DAO that funds global public goods. Would fit well with Dogecoin's non-greedy wholesome ethos. Proof of work and proof of stake. Proof of work, the same protocol that flagship cryptocurrency Bitcoin uses to confirm transactions on the blockchain, is criticized for the intensive amount of energy it requires to verify transactions on the digital ledger. Proof of stake involves randomly selected miners who stake or commit tokens to the blockchain to confirm transactions. POS advocates argue that this reduces high electricity usage and hardware costs, as well as discourages illicit behaviors. Yi-Fi CEO. Ethereum to be global computer, bigger than AWS, Azure, and Google combined. Crypto market grows 47% in 30 days, adding $0.7 trillion of inflows. Over $110 billion enters crypto market in a week as BTC shoots past $50,000 in May. Buterin commented that he sees Ethereum's shift to the POS model as a way to reduce the enormous carbon footprint of cryptocurrencies. Prior to his statement, Elon Musk said that his electric car company is no longer accepting Bitcoin as payment due to the environmental implications of mining the benchmark cryptocurrency. Proof of stake is a solution to the environmental issues of Bitcoin, which needs far less resources to maintain, Buterin said. Dogecoin. The popular belief is that no news is good news. In case of Dogecoin, a similar notion could be observed in the market, as the 8th-ranked alt faced strong psychological resistance at $0.305, but held well above the 27 cents mark. Dogecoin has shown no to low gains of late, and while the market anticipation is going low, at least price-wise, there were some bright signs for Dogecoin's trajectory. For instance, Doge making higher lows on the 12-hour chart was a huge relief for the altcoin's traders. Further, Dogecoin investors pushed through the demand zone from 26 cents to 28 cents, which was a significant resistance barrier during June, and a strong support level from early May to June beginning. The next target of 35 cents can be reached if buyers make a strong comeback. The industry's biggest promoter? Guys, a more interesting case in point is Elon Musk. His strong influence on social media has had a major impact on the larger crypto market. Once the Tesla CEO took Dogecoin under his wing, the meme coin saw exponential growth based on everything but merit. Musk's regular endorsement of Doge on Twitter led to the alt climbing into the top 10. And not just novice investors, but celebrities like Naomi Osaka are also falling for the trick. Dogecoin, which galloped higher by 27,000% in a 6-month stretch between early November 2020 and early May 2021. Dogecoin lacks a competitive edge, but not everyone is on board with the ascendance of cryptocurrencies. I consider myself a full-blown crypto skeptic. I don't own any digital currencies, have no near-term plans to buy any, and believe the market to be in a massive bubble that's in dire need of a shakeout. Of all the digital currencies investors could put their money to work in, Dogecoin is the most baffling. That's because it doesn't do anything particularly well. In other words, if you want a network and tethered token to replace the existing financial infrastructure, it better offer clear-cut advantages. Dogecoin doesn't offer any of that. Dogecoin's transaction fees are considerably higher than most popular cryptocurrencies. Dogecoin price eyes 35% upswing as Doge bulls prepare for comeback. Dogecoin price has been on a downswing since August 16 and is ready for a reversal. A successful bounce off the $0.262 to $0.281 demand zone indicates a resurgence of buyers. If Doge breaks below $0.240, it will invalidate the bullish thesis. Dogecoin price hit a dead end after setting up a swing high on August 16. Since this point, Doge bulls are nowhere to be seen, which resulted in a downswing. However, the retracement pushed the meme coin to a critical support area that will likely trigger an upswing. Dogecoin price readies for an explosive upswing. Dogecoin price dropped roughly 25% after the August 16 swing high at $0.352. This descent pushed Doge into a demand zone, ranging from $0.262 to $0.281. This pullback was met with a sudden uptick in buying pressure that has currently pushed Dogecoin price up by 12% to where it is presently. Going forward, investors can expect the meme coin to continue its upswing until it encounters the $0.328 resistance level. A decisive close above this crucial barrier will open the path to 40 cents. The average time needed to validate and settle transactions is slower than many of the same networks that have lower, or non-existent, transaction fees. The average number of daily transactions completed on Dogecoin's blockchain recently declined to a 3-year low, demonstrating weak adoption. It has virtually no real-world use, with only a little over 1,400 mostly obscure business accepting it as payment. I don't see a future where Dogecoin plays a meaningful role in a transacting capacity. Barring an extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level and Sunday's high $0.2921 would likely cap any upside. In the event of a breakout, Dogecoin could test resistance at the 23.6% fib of $0.3016 before any pullback. The second major resistance level sits at $0.2987. Failure to move through the $0.2833 would bring the first major support level at $0.2746 into play. This week, Dogecoin developers announced an update to the platform on Twitter. The update will reduce transaction fees and make the network more secure. A few hours later, Musk shared the post adding that it was important. Elon Musk, one of the 3 richest men in the world, going up and down in the top 3 along with Jeff Bezos and Bernard Arnault, is convinced that Dogecoin is one of the strongest cryptocurrencies, as he made clear when supporting the opinion of millionaire Mark Cuban. Mark Cuban's Dallas Mavericks offer cashback rewards on Dogecoin purchases. Dallas Mavs fans who spend more than $150 worth of Dogecoin in one transaction will receive a $25 e-gift card that they can use for purchases on the team's online store. Dallas Mavericks, Mark Cuban's NBA franchise, started a cashback rewards program to incentivize merchandise and ticket payments in Dogecoin. The rewards program is dubbed Mavs Cryptomania, and customers who spend more than $150 worth of Dogecoin in one transaction will receive a $25 e-gift card that they can use for online purchases in the Dallas Mavs shop. The program is slated to finish on September 30th. At the time of video, users will need to outlay 505 Doge in order to receive the e-gift card. The Mavs started accepting Doge for payments back in March and were also one of the first NBA franchises to accept Bitcoin payments for tickets and merchandise back in 2019. Cuban is a major Dogecoin proponent and stated in April that while the coin started as a joke, it is becoming a digital currency, due to its increasing adoption rate. The billionaire investor stated in May that Dogecoin had outperformed other crypto assets in terms of merchandise purchases, as he noted that we sell more Mavs merchandise for Doge on a typical day than we did in a year with BTC or ETH. I will keep you informed of developments as soon as possible. We've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you understand what I want to say. Express your thoughts by commenting. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.